आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question is, here we have the given defective crystal. This is the defective crystal, and the question is, what type of stoichiometric defect is shown by the crystal, and how is the density of the crystal affected by this effect? Okay, and what type of ionic substance show such defect? So let's take one by one. Question number one. What the question number one? We have the given defective crystal here. So if we see that which defect is shown by the crystal, so if you see here is Schottky defect shown by the crystal. If you see why it is Schottky defect, so why? Because there is equal number of cations and anions are missing in the crystal lattice. Crystal lattice, because equal number of cations and anions are missing in the crystal lattice. What is lattice? If you don't know what is lattice, a lattice is an is an ordered array of points describing the arrangement of particles that form a crystal. Okay, so it is a ordered array points. If you say lattice is a unit ordered array of points, you say, which helps to make a crystal, all the array points which helps to make a crystal, this is called lattice, and in chemistry we call it crystal lattice. So here Schottky defect is found, and you can see there is there is equal number of cations and anions are missing in the crystal lattice, so Schottky defect is found. Let's go to the second question. What does the second question do? How is the density of the crystal affected by this effect? Okay, so how density of the crystal is affected? So if we see the defect leads to decrease in density, why it leads to decrease in density? As equal number of cations and anions are missing. From the crystal lattice. Okay, you got the point. The defect leads to decrease in density. Why it leads to decrease in density? Because equal number of cations and anions are missing from the crystal lattice. Okay, so let's go to the last question. What does the last question do? What type of ionic substance shows such defect? So this kind of defect is shown by ionic substance in which cations and anions are of you can say almost similar sizes. I will write it here. I will pen it down because this definition are most helpful. So I will say that this kind of defect is shown by those ionic substance in which the cations and anions are of similar sizes. I will not say are of similar sizes, it will be almost similar sizes. Okay, if you want me to give an example, I have example of KCl. If you see KCl, their cations or anions are almost of similar sizes. You can also take NaCl, CSCl. There are multiple examples for describing this defect, so this is for it.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।